Hello friends, subscribe my channel. Journal question on advertisement part 1. Let's start. Your first question: are there many advertisements in your country? Answer is definitely there are. They appear all over the place from the street to social media with high density. For example, there is a multi-attitude of the colorful flyers stuck on the street wall in Sydney. Your second question: why do you think there are so many advertisements now? Answer is I guess it's due to benefit of the company. First, advertisements are the easiest way to reach the customer to attract their attention to a particular brand or product. From that attractive information, customer will be able to choose appropriate one. Second, it is also play crucial role in the marketing strategy that the company apply to attract the customer. What are the various places where we see advertisement? Your third answer is advertisement here and there, everywhere. It get to people through the different type of the communication, such as the flyer or banner on the street, or printed one on newspaper, magazine, or electronic one on social media. It could be written, variable, and short movie. How do you feel about advertisement? Your answer is sometimes I find it a little bit disappointed because the quality of product are usually overrated. However, there are the other beneficial advertisement in supermarket which has the informative contacts for the customer, such as on which days there will be promotion or which new product will be launched. Thanks for watching my channel. Please like it and subscribe it for new update.